to my slow podcast. Hello, and thank you for listening. I am your host, and today we will talk about food and drinks. We will learn simple words to talk about what we eat and drink. I will speak slowly. I will give you time to listen and repeat. Are you ready? Let's begin. Food gives us energy. We eat food in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Here are some common foods. 1. Bread. Say bread. 2. Rice. Say rice. 3. Pasta. Say pasta. 4. Chicken. Say chicken. 5. Fish. Say fish. 6. Eggs. Say eggs. Now let's use them in sentences. 1. I eat bread for breakfast. 2. I like rice and chicken. 3. Pasta is my favorite food. Now you try. What do you like to eat? Say I like. Fruits and vegetables are good for our health. Here are some common fruits. 1. Apple. Say apple. 2. Banana. Say banana. 3. Orange. Say orange. 4. Grapes. Say grapes. Now let's use them in sentences. 1. I eat an apple every day. 2. Bananas are yellow. Now here are some common vegetables. 1. Carrot. Say carrot. 2. Tomato. Say tomato. 3. Potato. Say potato. Now let's use them in sentences. 1. Carrots are orange. 2. I like tomatoes in my salad. Now you try. What fruits and vegetables do you like? Say I like. Now let's talk about drinks. Drinks keep us fresh. Here are some common drinks. 1. Water. Say water. 2. Juice. Say juice. 3. Milk. Say milk. 4. Tea. Say tea. 5. Coffee. Say coffee. Now let's use them in sentences. 1. I drink water every day. 2. Orange juice is sweet. 3. I like tea in the morning. Now you try. What do you like to drink? Say, I like. We eat different meals in a day. 1. Breakfast. We eat breakfast in the morning. Say, breakfast. 2. Lunch. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Say, lunch. 3. Dinner. We eat dinner in the evening. Say, dinner. Now let's use them in sentences. 1. I eat eggs for breakfast. 2. I have rice and fish for lunch. 3. Dinner is my favorite meal. Now you try. What do you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Say, for breakfast I eat. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. 1. I eat rice and chicken for lunch. 2. I drink tea in the morning. 3. Apples and oranges are my favorite fruits. Now, you try. Can you say a sentence about food or drinks? Say, I like or I eat. Today, we learned about food and drinks. We talked about food, bread, rice, chicken, fish, fruits and vegetables, apples, bananas, carrots, potatoes, drinks, water, juice, tea, coffee, meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Now you can talk about what you eat and drink. Thank you for listening to this episode of My Slow Podcast. In the next episode, we will talk about shopping. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time.
Goodbye.